Hi, I'm James with British Customs. Today we're going to be installing this retro chain guard on this 2022 Triumph Street Twin. You got to start by removing these two bolts on here. There's one in the back and one in the front. We're going to start with this rear bolt. It's a 5mm hex head bit. If you don't have a ratchet this small, an L key will fit in there no problem. So you want to put some Loctite on the same screws that you took out. We'll be reusing them. Bring the chain guard in from the rear. And start each screw in by hand. And final tighten with your ratchet. So the torque on these is going to be a little more than what the original was because this is metal chain guard where the original is just plastic. So just make it nice and tight. Between that and the Loctite, it should be fine. And that's it.